I've been using the Green Pan grill, and these ceramic plates, I've noticed, have built up residue on the plates. And so both sides, I even have like grease that is dried up on the edges of this side of the plate. And by the way, I'm very happy with the grill, and I'll put a link to it. But let me dry it off. So first of all, I called up and they said the first thing you want to do is soak it in hot, soapy water. And you could probably see that. It's hard to really see, but it's on the plate. And then they said after about 30 minutes, you get one of the Mr. Clean sponges. So I happen to have these here at home, these magic erasers. They're great, and I'll put a link to them. And they really are like magic. So I'm just going to show you, or hopefully you could see it will come right off. Now that I have soaked them in greasy water, and it makes it look brand spanking new, and this has worked like a charm. So let me just wash over this with the sponge. You could see it had to come off, and then if I take the towel, it looks brand new. I mean, it's fantastic. So if you're wondering, you know, do you need a cleaner? You don't need a cleaner. All you need to do is soap and water. You need those sponges, which they are magic, and that's it. They really do the trick. And so I just got a little bit more. I had used a little soap on that too, even though probably the dry ones are fine. But the plates really do look almost brand new. Just a little bit more, little elbow grease. We'll dry this off, and I might even have to, if I have to. Yeah, I think it's just about done. And that just takes it all off, and now it looks brand new. It's awesome. So that is my tip of the day. If you have a grill with ceramic plates, get these magic erasers. They work like a charm. And then what I've done here on the other side, where it's really got gritty, I have just really worked the edges, and this is the other plate, and you could see what the result looks like, and that has worked like a charm as well. So the Mr. Clean magic erasers are great. Check them out today. If you have any questions, let me know. The grill, I love it, and now I love it even more that the plates are looking brand new. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.